Want to convert long videos into YouTube Shorts for free? Here's the easiest method using just your browser, no app required. Visit CapCut.com and log into your account. Look for the Long Video to Shorts tool. It's specifically designed for this conversion. Upload your video file. The system will automatically analyze it for the best moments. Then select a free caption template from the options available. Set your duration to meet YouTube Shorts requirements. Click Convert and wait just moments for the processing to complete. You'll get Shorts. Click to preview.
Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living the result of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions.
Make any final edits if needed. Then download in your preferred quality. That's all it takes. Now you've got perfect vertical shorts ready to upload. For more CapCut tips like this, subscribe to the channel.